Hello, my name is Julio, and I am 44 years old. On my last vacation, I went to Chiclayo, a beautiful city in Peru, with my wife. One of the best parts the trip was visited in Museum of the Royal Stamps of the Lord of Zipan. We also visited other museums, eat delicious food, and meet very friendly people. I feel very happy and relaxed because it was an unforgettable experience. This semester I am going to study harder and more responsible with my because I want to improve my grades. I'm also going to practice more in the class and practice my English every day. I know I'm going to be challenging, but I am very motivated and excited to learn more. Thank you.